Oh.
Morning everybody, Rich from Solar Research Technologies. Today we're going to talk to you about our newest product and our flagship product, the Solari 2kW Professional Intelligent Solar Power Generation Module. Today we're going to talk about the rapid deployment ability of it, and we're going to show you our new design for the articulating solar array with hydraulic positioning system. We'll talk to you about the vehicle grounding system and the components that make up Solari for all-terrain use. And we're going to talk to you a little bit further about the control and energy harvesting systems on board. Look forward to doing this. Hope you enjoy. Put the wheel chocks in, and then we have to move the solar panels into position. Solar panels lock with quick acting pins. This is a detailed look at the locks for the solar panels that keep them in place when they're in the deployed position. They are quick acting pins. And now we raise the array. We're ready to make power. Solari uses a hydraulic solar array positioning system. Everything is on board and it's completely self-contained. Solari also features an angle indicator that will show you the precise angle of the array once it's elevated. This is the array angle indicator, and you can see right now we're at about 35 degrees. That's the maximum elevation or azimuth position that Solari can attain. Here's a close-up shot of the hydraulic pump, reservoir, and its battery. Solari's battery for the hydraulic system is a marine-grade 900 amp cranking battery. It can also be used to start vehicles or generators or provide extreme high current starting capacity for vehicles in the field. The hydraulic pump system is also field serviceable and features quick release field serviceable solenoid valves. Here you can see the solar panel protection for the cables where they enter the Solari, and the field replaceable fuse for the hydraulic motor. This is the system that provides fuse protection for the hydraulic network and most of the electronics on the superstructure outside of what is protected by identical equipment inside the main control system. This is Solari's control panel, and you can see right now the solar panel array is shut off by the circuit breaker position. On the front you also have the remote switch for the onboard 3000 watt inverter, and everything is nicely packaged for ease of use. Down on the bottom you have the up and down controls for the solar array and the alarms. These alarms are reflecting the status of the lightning protection and surge protection circuitry. There are two of those, one for each solar panel. Here's a view of the onboard system that reports what's going on with Solari. Right now we're in the shade, and the system is able to still produce 135 watts, as you can see. Pretty remarkable because we are actually totally shaded almost right now. The front panel of Solari is protected by a solar blocking solar gray plexiglass panel. Solari has a front and rear aluminum tread plate. This is ideal for setting laptops and equipment on while you're using the system. Solari is equipped with a system to attach this firmly to the ground. These are welded in 4 places, 2 on the back and 2 on the front, and they will accept a standard marine clevis with a 3/8 pin. These are not for lifting, they are for securing the vehicle during transport on a trailer or securing it firmly to the ground once it's in place. This is the main control system for Solari. It's a NEMA 4 enclosure built for extreme environments. It's a fan-cooled enclosure and it's thermostatically controlled. This indicator here will tell you when the exhaust fan is needed and it will come on automatically. This is the interior of Solari. All the control circuits, lightning protection circuits, fusing circuit breakers, relays for the hydraulic system, GPS. There's a multitude of things going on in here. Each solar panel has an independent controller. The box here on the bottom is what reports all of the data up to the internet and to the web portal for viewing and recording. And there's also charging circuits here for external devices like phones, laptops, and communication devices. Solari's onboard solar panels system consists of 2 polycrystalline solar panels. They are rated at 320 watts each. Here's a quick view of cable management on Solari. The cabling to the solar panels is protected and secured and rides in a drag link chain to protect it from chafe and wear. The articulating panels have been machined and developed by Solar Research, and this is a quick peek at the pivot point for the panel articulation system. Solari's entire structure is made of aircraft grade 6061 aluminum. It is powder coated for the maximum protection against corrosion and makes it able to survive in marine and tropical environments. Okay guys, this is the ground system for Solari. We're going to start here today. Solari has 4 16-inch all-terrain tires. She's outfitted with 10.5 inches of ground clearance. That's enough to crawl over stumps, rocks, uneven ground, and also makes it good for sand and loose soil surfaces. Solari has a very special axle system, which you see here. This was designed for field service. The axles are replaceable in the field, and they also feature, you might not be able to see it, but there are not only bearings inside the wheel hubs, but there are thrust bearings on either side of the wheel, which keep movement good even when the wheels are under torsional stress. This axle can be quickly replaced in the field, as well as its mount, which are on these welded plates. Everything can be removed and replaced very quickly in the field. All welding points on Solari are done using TIG welds for the best results in aluminum. No MIG, everything is TIG. Here's a front view of Solari with the solar panels raised, and you can see the access door to the control panel is open. Here's a rear view of Solari. Solar panels are elevated and the system is actually in operational mode as we see it right now. You can see the control box on the back of the system. This is where all of the solar harvesting and energy management systems are stored. To prepare Solari for transport, after she's done, the first thing to do is shut off the solar panels and then go ahead and lower the array. Lower the solar panels. Shut off the main power. And the system is ready for deployment. Back to where it went.